Hi guys, so today we're going to make steamed cabbage with sausage. So I have all of my ingredients here. We're going to need salt, pepper, Lowry seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, a little sugar, green pepper, onion, minced garlic, butter, and the sausage of your choice, and bacon, and then Savoy cabbage. So now I'm frying up the bacon, getting that all nice and crispy. So I'm going to rinse off the sausage before cutting it. And you just want to cut any way that you prefer. I'm just going to do small dices. And you have to keep in mind that you want to check your bacon so that it doesn't burn. So right here, I'm just turning the bacon over and turning the light down a little. And just finish cutting up the sausage. And you don't have to use a whole pack of sausage if you don't want to. I just choose to use the whole pack because I have a family of 5. But if you want to use a half of the sausage, that's fine as well. Okay, so now that the sausage is all cut up, we're going to clean off our cutting board and wipe down the countertop. Check our bacon. And I believe the bacon is ready. So we're going to take it out and set it on the plate, but I'm going to leave all of the bacon grease in the pan so that the cabbage and green peppers, onions, all of that can cook in the bacon grease. So now to the pan, I just want to add a little bit of the minced garlic. Make sure that your burner is down, maybe between low and medium, so that the garlic will not burn. You just want to keep an eye on it, just keep stirring. Now I'm going to add in half of the onion. And you just want to cook that until it's translucent. Once the onion is translucent, then we can begin to add in our green pepper and mix that in. You want to let this cook on medium until the green pepper is tender. And I've also added a half a teaspoon of butter. Now we're going to add in our sausage and mix that in. So once the sausage is a little brown or gets a little crispy, you want to make sure you stir it up. And then you can start adding in your Savoy cabbage or the cabbage of your choice. And you just put in enough to fill the pan or the pot. Okay, now we're ready to add in our seasoning. I'm going to add a little salt, a little pepper, seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. And you want to stir that up a little bit and then just put the top on it. And let that cook. You want the cabbage to sweat down and cook down. So we'll check it in about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. And as you can see from the top, the cabbage has sweated quite a bit. So now we just want to stir it up. And make sure you stir it well because you want whatever's on top to go to the bottom to cook. And here I'm adding the remainder of the onion. And at this point, you can add more seasoning if you like. It's up to you. Just taste a little bit and see whatever it needs. I'm adding a little bit of sugar, not to make it sweet, just to take out any bitterness. And just mix everything in. Okay, so now it's all done. But we want to add in the bacon. Typically, I'll add in the bacon right before I take it off the burner because I don't want the bacon to get soggy. I want the bacon to still be crispy. So I'm just cutting up the bacon and add it into the pot and just mix it in well. And then it's all done. And you can add in a little bit more butter if you choose. So the burner is off. I just had the top sitting on the pan just for a minute. So I'm going to stir it up and then I'm going to plate the finished product for a taste. Now I'm just trying out the finished product to make sure everything tastes well. And it was very good, and you can see by my little arm, I'm doing a little shimmy in the back, but you can't see that. But it was very good, guys. I hope you try out the recipe. Thank you for watching.